Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Amni and today we will calculate squares of a number. So we know what a square is. Squares are a number multiplied by itself and the result we get is a square. And we also know squares from 1 to 10. But when it comes to two-digit numbers, it is hard and takes time to calculate. So using this trick, it will only take us 2 to 4 seconds if you have a practice of it. Now, for example, let's take 35 and the general way we use today is this one. Now, and the trick to calculate this square, which won't take time and will only take 2 to 4 seconds as I already said, is a square 2ab b square. Now, let's take tens place as a and ones place as b. Now, for example, let's take 35 again. And here the tens place we have is 3 and the ones place is 5. Now, which means a is 3 and b is 5. Now let's substitute the values of its a square to ab and b square, which means 3 is squared, 2 times 3 times 5, 5 is squared. Now let's simplify the equation. It will give us 9, 30, 25. So we are going to start from right to left and then drop the ones place. Here, ones place is 5 and 25. So we are going to drop the 5 and then we are going to add 2 to 30, which will give us 32. Now, in 32, we are going to drop the 2 and then add 3 to 9, which will give us 12. Now we are going to drop the 12 because we don't have any other number next to it. So the answer to 35 square is 1225. Now let's take another example. This time let's take 99. Now again, here the ones place is 9 and the tens place is 9, which means A is 9 and B is also 9. Now let's substitute the values, which is 9 is square, 2 times 9 times 9, 9 squared. Now let's simplify it, which means 81, 162, 81. Again, we are going to start from right to left and then drop the ones place. In 81, the ones place is 1 and we have 8 remaining, so we are going to add the 8 to 162, which will give us 170. Here we are going to drop the 0 and here we have 17 remaining. Let me also tell you one thing. No matter how many digits are left after the number, you just have to drop the ones place. Now here we have 17 left. So we are going to add 17 to 81, which will give us 98. Now we are going to drop 98 and then the answer of 99 square is 9801. Now let's take one more example. It will be our final and the last example. Let's take 22 this time. And here ones place is 2 and tens place is also 2, which means A is 2 and B is 2. Now let's apply the formula, which means 2 squared, 2 times 2 times 2, 2 squared. After simplifying it, we get 4, 8, 4. And we are again going to start from right to left and keep dropping the ones place. Here we are going to drop the 4, then 8, then 4 again. Because since we only have ones digit here, that's why we don't have tens, hundreds digits here. We only have ones digits here. So the answer of 22 square is 484. Now, this at last, I want to remind you that this formula only works for two-digit numbers, and the formula is a square 2 times a times b and b square. Tens place is a and ones place as b. It gives faster result as compared to general method if you have a practice of it. Now, thank you. That was all. See you later and goodbye.